How to install Fire Kirin app on iPhone. Want to start catching those big wins on Fire Kirin? Let me show you how to install it on your phone. Grab your phone, unlock it, and tap on the Apple Store icon. This is the gateway to the game. In the search bar at the bottom, type Fire Kirin Fishing Online. Make sure you select the one by Binny because that's the official version. See that blue get button? Tap it. If you have installed app before, you know the drill. Use your Face ID, Touch ID, or Apple ID password to confirm. Once you hit the gate or cloud icon, the app will start downloading. You will see the circle progress icon. It usually takes just a few seconds depending on your Wi-Fi speed. When it finishes, tap open. Fire Kirin is now ready on your home screen. Now you can sign in if you already have an account or registered for a new one and start fishing for rewards. And that's it. Super simple. If this tutorial helped you, smash the like button. If you have any question, drop them in the comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips. Catch you in the next one.